Welcome to the hidden yet magical world of BetterBonds, a herbs and crystal shop started in the Pakistani Himalayas by a visionary mother and child-daughter team. We worked with our friends and some families, producers and farmers in the Himalayas. We gathered herbs. We turned them into balms, syrups and teas. We invented various formulae that were developed for the first time and have not been worked with since. We developed medicine primarily for the mothers. We worked on some of the most pernicious diseases of humankind. We also brought delight to people by working with minerals, crystals, making and sourcing jewelry. We also collected more than 15 honey types. This is a magical world of bear bonds. We want you to be a part of it.